Hello everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. For those who I met at Empire Mastery, hello again. And for those who I didn't meet in person, I'm Tarida. I'm the co-founder and CEO of 80 Digital. I run a digital agency and we specialize in helping businesses grow their top line by 2 times, 3 times, making digital marketing profitable for them. And we provide a whole suite of solutions from Google Ads for Facebook ads for SEO, and we also help them develop high performance websites for which are geared towards high performance marketing, and from e-commerce to web apps to a lot of other solutions, software solutions. So that's what we do. And I'm doing this video because one of the biggest takeaways from the Empire Mastery for me was I need to work on my personal brand. And I realized that I have not been doing that for the past 6 years since I started the company. So I decided to kickstart it, I will do my personal branded website. So while I was doing the personal branded website with my team, I thought, why not offer this to those who attended Empire Mastery? So we came up with a solution, and you can see that in the website what we offer. But I'll also explain it a little bit more so that you understand. So we can do your personal branded website, and the difference is between any other website that any other agency could do mostly is that we don't do it through WordPress or any other CMS hosted platforms where you have to really host it, and then you get tied up with maintenance contracts as well, and then at the end of a year you end up paying about $1,000 extra in addition to the development cost that you have to bear initially. So we use some of the latest industry technologies that are out there, which allows us to give you free hosting for whatever the time you want. And also we don't tie you down with any maintenance contracts. So maintenance is basically free. Um, this way you save a lot of money over years. So that's why we thought, let's offer this. And also we really do custom design websites. So we've come up with nice looking templates for you. We can customize it a little bit for you. If you really need a really customized website, then we can have a chat and work on that as well. So that's it. That's the solution that I want to present to you to this video. And the other thing one of the realizations I've had from Empire Master is that over the 6 years, we've done a lot of things as a company. And well, to tell you a little bit about how I started in Sri Lanka with my co-founding partner who's ex-Google as well. So when we were in Sri Lanka, we were at a beach sipping a beer. It's a nice beach. It's called Mirissa. So I'll put a picture here as well. So we realized that when we did a little bit of research, there weren't many performance agencies, performance marketing agencies, and we decided to start that. And now we have a presence in Singapore, and now I'm here in Australia, so I'm looking to grow the business here. So Empire Mastery in Sydney was a real eye opener for me. One other biggest realizations for me was that it's not about what you know, it's about how you implement what you know as well, and how small things really can help you scale the business and doing them right. So I hope everyone of you have started take massive and immediate action and looking to really pumped up and looking to grow your business. Finally, so I'm wishing every one of you all the very best with your business, and have the strength to grow it to the heights that you want. Yeah, so wishing everyone a good day. Cheers.